Okay, question 20, asking you about different things. Tells you the radius is equal to the radius of the hemisphere, so all it means is that this radius is the same on the top and the bottom. It's giving you the 10 cm here, I'm going to use that in a bit. It's giving you the 32 pi, the curved surface area of the hemisphere, so this. And it wants you to do total surface area, and it wants to give you in terms of pi, so it wants a number and then pi. Okay. One of the ways I could do it is I can work out what the radius is. Now there's a way of doing that because it gave us 32 pi. So if I'm looking at it, I know from the formula book, which is at the front, and I'll just bring one up. So in the formula book, when we look at it, I know the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Right, so if it's 4 pi r squared, I want half of it, and it's told me that's equal to 32 pi. Now this is just a bit of rearranging now to try and get what r is, because it will all cancel out when you watch. Okay, if I multiply by 2, I'll get 64 pi equals 4 pi r squared. What I can then do is I can bring this over here, so the 4 pi, if I bring it over, will be 64 pi divided by 4 pi. Alright, so if I get that, I end up getting 16 equals r squared. The r squared there. So the radius must be 4. Alright, for doing that, I've got 2 marks, even if I didn't go any further. But now I'm going to get all the areas I need. So I'm just going to write it at the top while I'm doing it. So I know this is 32 pi. I've got that so far. So might as well go the bottom. So if I do the circle song to get area of a circle, it's pi r squared, which we know is now pi times 4 squared, which gives us 16. So I'm just going to write 16 pi. Right, so that's that section. So I've got 16 pi there. Now I'm going to get this bit round here. Right, now the way I'm going to do that is I've got to get the circumference. So again, circle song, which is pi d. Well, I know radius is 4, so the diameter is going to be 8. So I'm doing 8 pi times by the height, which was 10. So altogether, that's going to give me 80 pi. So 80, show it down here, 80 pi altogether. So we add all them up, and I end up getting 128 pi. That's in terms of pi like you're asking the question, and that's your overall answer.